Welcome to Motor Max, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking bike that is making waves in the motorcycling world, the 2025 Maic 700. Get ready to explore what makes this model such an exciting prospect for riders everywhere. Buckle up as we break down the features, performance, and design of this incredible machine. The evolution of Maic, a brief overview. Maic Motorcycles has long been a symbol of innovation and quality in the motorcycling industry, and the Maic 700 marks another milestone in their journey. Known for creating performance-oriented bikes with a sharp focus on style, Maic has continued to push the envelope with every new release. The Maic 700, released in 2025, is the company's latest effort to fuse cutting-edge technology, sustainable practices, and a thrilling riding experience. Design and build, a vision in motion. One of the most striking aspects of the 2025 Maic 700 is its design. This bike exudes futuristic elegance while maintaining the aggressive stance Maic fans know and love. With sleek lines, a more aerodynamic body, and attention-grabbing details, the Maic 700 looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The frame is lightweight yet incredibly strong, made from advanced composites that reduce overall weight without sacrificing durability. This gives the bike a more responsive feel on the road. The motorcycle's sculpted fuel tank and compact body ensure that it's not just functional but visually appealing. The 700's low-profile headlights, along with the streamlined tail, further emphasize its modern aesthetic. Engine and performance, raw power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the Maic 700 offers a sophisticated engine setup. The 2025 model boasts a powerful 700 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that offers a perfect balance between raw power and fuel efficiency. Delivering around 100 horsepower, this engine is designed for riders who crave both speed and control. What sets the Maic 700 apart from its competition is its cutting-edge powertrain technology. Equipped with a next-gen electronic fuel injection system and a 6-speed quick-shifter gearbox, the bike offers smooth acceleration and flawless gear transitions. Whether you're on the open highway or carving through tight city streets, the 700 responds instantly to your throttle commands. Handling and suspension, precision on every turn. One of the key aspects that define the Maic 700 is its handling. Built with a fully adjustable suspension system and a revised chassis, the bike's performance is designed to give riders the ultimate control in various conditions. The inverted front forks and rear monoshock ensure maximum stability, while the well-calibrated suspension system provides a comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. Whether you're riding through twisty mountain roads or navigating through urban traffic, the Maic 700 offers precision that few other motorcycles in its class can match. The bike's lightweight build and advanced suspension technology ensure that every turn feels natural, while maintaining an incredibly smooth ride. Tech features, the smart motorcycle of the future. The Maic 700 takes a giant leap into the future with its advanced tech features. One of the most notable upgrades is the integrated smart display system. The 700 comes with a digital touchscreen that displays real-time data, including speed, fuel efficiency, tire pressure, and even weather updates. The interface is intuitive, allowing riders to customize their preferences on the go. The motorcycle also comes equipped with a next-gen anti-lock braking system, ABS, that adapts to various riding conditions, ensuring maximum safety. Additionally, a traction control system is built into the bike software, adjusting power delivery to prevent wheel slip in wet or slippery conditions. Sustainability and efficiency, a green future. As with many modern bikes, the 2025 Maic 700 integrates sustainable practices in its design. Maic has ensured that the bike meets stringent emission standards while maintaining top-tier performance. The bike's efficient engine, combined with its lightweight construction, helps reduce the overall carbon footprint while still delivering an exhilarating riding experience. This makes the Maic 700 not only a great option for performance enthusiasts but also for eco-conscious riders looking to reduce their environmental impact. Price and availability, is the Maic 700 worth it? So, How much is all this innovation going to cost you? The 2025 Maic 700 is expected to hit the market with a price tag of around $10,000. While that's on the higher end for many bikes in its class, the combination of cutting-edge tech, incredible performance, and sleek design makes it a worthwhile investment for serious motorcyclists. It's also worth noting that with Maic's reputation for longevity and reliability, the Maic 700 is sure to be a good value for years to come. Conclusion: a motorcycle like no other. The 2025 Maic 700 represents the future of motorcycling, offering the perfect blend of high performance, futuristic technology, and sustainability. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer looking for your next bike, the Maic 700 stands out as a remarkable choice. Its sleek design, powerful engine, advanced safety features, and eco-friendly focus make it a machine designed for the modern rider. Will the Maic 700 be the bike to revolutionize the industry? Only time will tell, but one thing is for certain: it's a thrilling glimpse into the future of motorcycling. Outro: thanks for watching Motor Max. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Maic 700. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more motorcycle content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Motor Max. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest bikes and trends in the world of motorcycling. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open.